Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we dive into the diverse experiences and opportunities of diaspora communities worldwide. Please join us as we celebrate the richness of cultures, share inspiring stories, and embrace the strengths of unity and diversity. Subscribe to be part of this journey and let us explore the incredible world of diasporas together. Yo bro, so what's up? How you doing?
I'm good, man. Just living life. Taiwan.
Everything is okay?
It's good, man. It could be better, but it'll get great later on.
Definitely, man. Yeah, so for those who don't know you, like in this video that we are going to make right now, you can introduce yourself and where you're coming from.
Okay. Well, I'm Cameron Evans. I'm from California. I've been in Taiwan for about 4 years. I teach English here. My major was ethnic studies. I also have a ebook out right now. Go on my Instagram, it's evanscam@gmail.com, and I'm excited to be here. Jackson's a great friend of mine, and he's been doing some great things.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, so I want to ask you some couple questions. Like these questions will definitely help other people out there because they have a great experience in Taiwan for quite a long time, and your work as an English teacher, so maybe some other people are looking for the same kind of opportunity, maybe back in your country or in Africa and stuff. Then we can have a conversation and help them out from this video, right? Yeah, so like what motivated you to work in the foreign country and how did you end up choosing this particular country?
Man, wow. Like being from California, it's a lot of prejudice, it's a lot of racism, it's a lot of different things going on. And so I just remember growing up as a black man in America, like I thought this was it, And I had a lot of friends of mine. One of my friends, she went to China, and I got out of college and I contacted her. And she brought her boyfriend there, and she was telling me the racism and prejudice was less. And I had another friend, she went to Spain, and so what brought me to Taiwan was the opportunity not to experience racism, not to experience prejudice, right? To give more opportunities for my children in the future. So that's the reason why I came. And also, to learn Chinese, but teaching English, it was just like the door, man.
All right.
It was just the door to get here.
Okay. So like stepping out from the racism and stuff back in America. So have you find this a different thing? Like if you measure the experience in Taiwan and in America, like, so do you believe like in Taiwan there's no racism?
Taiwan, there's definitely racism. But okay. It's more like behind your back.
All right.
So it's not going to be in your face.
Okay.
So in America, like they'll follow you in the store, or you're driving I used to have a Mercedes Benz when I was younger. I was a kid. I was like 16.
Wow. Yeah.
My father, right?
Are you allowed to drive a car while you were 16 in America?
I was licensed back then. Yes. I was licensed I think I was like 15, 16. Okay. I was 15, got my permit, and then 16, and then my dad got me this old car and fixed it up.
Yeah. And
I was driving my sister, and we would get pulled over by cops, or cops would follow us, But if you in Taiwan, man, you can have a Corvette, you can have a Maserati, you can have a McLaren. They're not gonna pull you over. You just driving, And so also too, as being a black man teaching English is definitely racism, because people expect you to look a certain way, and then you talk, they hear your voice. They see you teach a certain way.
Okay.
The kids respond to you and they like you. And they're like, wait a minute, you're a black man or you're from this country. Why are you teaching this way? And so I think Taiwanese people are not expecting black men to be able to be successful teachers in Taiwan, but we are. It's not just me. There's many brothers that are successful.
Yeah, definitely. That's very good. So have you adopted like the culture difference in your workplace or your daily life in Taiwan already?
I think I've adapted at work, yes. But when I'm like by myself, I'm with my friends, I try to be myself. And being myself is just having fun, talking how I talk, being who I am. Like even earlier, I was talking to my grandmother, like we talk different back home. Like when I talk to you, like when we're having fun or we're doing a thing, like I'm talking different. But when I'm in the workplace, they expect us to speak super proper, right? English.
All right.
You can't speak a slang. But Black Americans, we speak two different Englishes. A lot of people don't know this. We speak proper English, and then we speak slang. It's two different Englishes. I don't even think I spoke it that much in Taiwan.
So slang is like a street kind of thing, like
yes.
language. And the proper English is at your workplace that you're gonna practice.
Like proper English is like when you're working or you're in school, right? In class.
Yeah, like the administrative stuff and
yes. But even slang, it came out today. I was talking to my stepfather, my grandmother. It came out, and it came out in a minute, like. And that language it's English, but we speak it's a different way, and it's like if I spoke it with other people, they don't understand what we're saying. It's weird.
Yeah, that's very good. So, can you describe like some challenges that you first in the process of moving from America to Taiwan? Maybe there's some other brothers and sisters who they would like to do the same stuff as you do. Yeah.
The challenge I want to say is don't let your family tell you can't do it.
All right.
That's the biggest challenge for me personally. Like your family, they love you, right? But when you tell them you're going to a different country,
okay,
they're gonna tell you don't do it.
And it's far, like maybe 100 miles away. So like they'll be like, oh, don't go there. Oh, what do they say? Like your parents? Can you tell us like what did they tell you?
Man, they would tell me, oh, go to grad school or stay here. Why do you want to go to Taiwan? China's dangerous.
All right.
Because in my country, they don't understand Taiwan is its own country.
Okay.
So they think Taiwan is China.
I also believed that before, like a lot of us, we thought like Taiwan is very, like it's consistent with China together. So,
yes.
But when you come here, then you realize there's some sort of difference, a lot of stuff which are quite different. Yeah, that's, so if there's someone who wants to become an English teacher, like anywhere around the world, maybe specifically where you're coming from. So what are the steps he or she should consider doing, like preparation and stuff?
The first step is find somebody who's doing it already. Like find somebody who's already in Taiwan.
Like
China.
A mentor, right? Like a mentor.
Yes, that's what I did. I found somebody, like I had a friend, she was in China. And she brought her boyfriend there. Like, they were already living there. And so I literally texted her, I said, what do I need to do to move to Taiwan? She literally texted me like a whole essay of everything. Like I had to get I can't remember this time, but get your degree, contact the school. So she literally texted me everything. So I don't actually, to be honest with you, Jackson, I almost went to China, but I got everything submitted and they blocked it. I couldn't believe it. Yeah,
really?
Yes, they blocked it. You can ask my family, man, it was crazy. And I was like, God.
What was the reason like behind?
To this day, I do not know. I had like my degree. They went an authenticated version of my degree. So I went to my college, got the degree. They blocked it. I said, God, okay, you want me to stay here? Then Taiwan came to my mind. I researched a school in Taiwan. I researched it. Actually, it's an agency, and they was telling me you can come here on a 90-day tourist visa. So that's the reason why I came here, because as an American, you can come here and you don't have to apply for the visa. But in China, you gotta like apply for it and have a job ready, everything.
And it's like very strictly, right, compared to here.
Yes.
Yeah, I get that. So you have faced so many challenges, as you just mentioned. Like, so how did you overcome your challenges?
Coming from America, like we have many challenges as a black man.
Just growing up.
Just growing up, like people don't expect us to go to college. I got like many friends of mine, like they could have went to college, played basketball, played football, were great. I'm talking about like these guys, like to this day, like these guys are like super strong,
Yeah.
Like taller than me, stronger than me, but they didn't have the mindset. It wasn't right, And so ended up having kids, ended up staying there. Like I got friends now, they still there. But there's people in my life.
All right.
They're older than me, cousins older than me, and they came to me and they was just like, Cam, like, no, you go to college, right? Or my stepdad, go to college, or like, leave this place, don't stay here.
All right.
And so when I come to answer your question, Taiwan's obstacles are not a challenge to me.
All right.
Because I already been through hell back home.
Okay.
So when I go here and it's like
A relief, like some sort of relief, like this is it's a place to be now.
It's it, man. Like here, I have to get a job. It's challenges. Like the longest time I went without a job here was about 3 months. I think it was 2020, I believe. Yes.
All right.
And I had like 40,000, man, and I had to make that last for 3 months. And I'm working, like I'm subbing or I'm doing different jobs, and I'm trying to find a job, right?
Yeah.
And I'm living in the hood, Italian. I'm clubbing and doing all these type of stuff. But God sustained me, right?
Definitely.
Then I went to this place. I ain't gonna tell the whole story. I gotta talk to me in person.
Okay.
I ain't gonna tell the whole story, but long story short, I got the job. Yeah, later.
Yeah, that's very good. Okay, maybe we can just go to a little break, then we can come back and continue the conversation, right? Yeah.